Proposition 15. The speed of light is constant and unable to aggregate to be faster than itself. The limit as to how fast light can travel brought us relativity and thus pockets of relative space-time mass energy. That does not negate the ability within our nested pockets of space-time for our relative speed compared to some great-great-grandparent far, far removed from us to see us slowly begin to approach the speed of light. If we accept the likelihood of an infinite sequence of nested pockets of space-time, then we must also accept that relative to some much larger frame of reference, our entire solar system would appear to be moving at the speed of light. There are times when pockets at or near this level of nested frames deep collide. And when that happens, we can have collisions taking place with the relative kinetic energy equal to 1.8 C, 1.9 C, or higher. An infinite number of collisions between pockets of different scales has occurred. Collisions occur at all different relative velocities, and the kinetic energy involved in collisions that approach 2c have an ability to create more mass out of the energy expelled during the collision than the mass of the originating masses that collide. We can see this same thing in a way when watching how the collisions of quarks to create protons and neutrons produce more resultant mass than the originating source particles started with. There was no first collision, nor will there be a last collision.